Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget World. Here are some mini and amazing gadgets, which look awesome. These all gadgets are available on Amazon. Without any delay, let's start the video with first gadget. EDC Titanium Bead Handcrafted Knife Lanyard's Pendant for Pocket Gadget. The glowing effect of the bead can help in low light conditions, making it easier to find and identify your EDC items. Titanium is a strong and durable material that can withstand wear and tear, making it a reliable choice for an EDC item. Lightweight. Titanium is known for being a lightweight material, so adding a glowing titanium bead to your EDC gear won't add unnecessary weight. Stitch So Quick Portable Sewing Repair Kit for quick repairs only. If you are in great hurry and your clothes are not stitched, this portable sewing machine is best choice for you. It is portable, you can anywhere with you, on any place. When you go on vacations, you not carry big sewing for temporary stitching of clothes or repair your clothes, but this portable sewing machine is ideal thing for you. You can also give this machine as a gift. Cordless handheld portable mending machine, single thread feed for quick repairs or temporary basting. Works best on lightweight fabrics. Includes threads, bobbins, needles and thread spindle. Tiny game console, pliable programmable keychain, electronic miniature. Amazing things, which tinny circuit Thumby to make it a reality. Already with 5 retro games, 6 working buttons to fidget with. Play by yourself or against friends. Upload your own drawings and videos to Thumby. Add more games from library. Program your own microprinting games using our free online code editor. This mini Thumby is suitable for kids and adults. Electronic miniature, gift basket goodie, family gift, holiday gift, friendship gift, dad gift. Tiny arcade Atari, the must-have video game, and this time it will fit in the palm of your hand. The original Atari brought arcade games like Missile Command, Asteroids and Centipede into family homes for the first time, but never in this size. Breakout, Tempest, Centipede, Combat, Pong, Warlords, Missile Command, Millipede, Asteroids, and Pac-Man. A great gift for Atari fans of all ages. Inmotion V11 seat and power pads. The shape of the Inmotion V11 accessories kits fits the human body aesthetics, give you have a better riding experience. Inmotion V11 seat is stable, and you will not move when you stand up during riding. Inmotion V11 saddle has moderate hardness. Unihertz Tock S. The leather case is made of Typhoo leather, which is durable, breathable, wear-resistant and soft. Protect your phone while enjoying a stylish and beautiful appearance. Leather-style phone case provides full-body protection for your phone, protecting your phone from dust, scratches. Compared with PC materials, more wearable and more elastic. Flexible inner shell is not easy to break and can effectively reduce the damage caused by accidental drop of mobile phone, and easy to install and dismantle. Protect your sensitive credit card information from criminals. Exact cutouts to keep features fully accessible. Convenient to answer the phone or charging without taking off the case. You can make the conversation with the case closed. The wallet case contains 3 card slots and a cash compartment that allows you to go out without having to carry bulky purses. Magnetic USB-C to USB-C cable. Mogtom's brand new magnetic lightning cable folding design is the solution to the frustrating issue of tangled cables. Whether you're at home, on a business trip, or at school, its versatility and eye-catching design make it a standout choice for all your charging needs. Full support for current iOS versions. Ali for rechargeable LED flashlight. High-powered handheld flashlight help you away from dark. Telescopic zoomable rechargeable flashlight can switch the lighting at will. Adapt to different environments of lighting. You can switch the spotlight and floodlight mode by retracting the super bright LED flashlight's head. Built-in Type-C charge slot allows you charging the flashlights conveniently. And tactical flashlights, high lumens, built-in overcharging and over-discharging function, perfect for using in the raining. Mini shaver portable electric shaver, effectively preventing the beard from getting stuck in the shaver and realizing painless shaving. Small in size, you can easily slip it into your jeans pocket and take it. Aluminum metal body, non-slip, durable and comfortable. Suitable for air travel, business travel, office, car, on the go, camping, and more. Immersion waterproof performance. Tank roller. It is a tank roller. It is made of durable metal. In this tank roller always, to roller present on which there is a trad. It is very small and portable. You can also spin it and get enjoy. When you roll it, a lovely sound come from, which attract your mind. It also lessen your stress level and keep you always fresh up. You can place this portable roller in your pocket and carry anywhere with you. SHASHIBO Shape shifting box. Unlike other puzzle box toys that turn out disappointing and dull, the patented and innovative design that transforms into over 70 shapes fits comfortably in the hand for hours of mind-challenging fun. Stimulate the senses with unlimited creative possibility. The SHASHIBO, constructed mold plastic, 36 rare earth magnets, and a tear-proof or high-gloss surface. Each magnetic puzzle features for unique Jinko black natural leather finish mini smart book desk light. You have listened. Do not judge a book by its cover. It is right that this book is amazing when you open this book in stunning light. Will you see? You can place this on your desk, table, bedside table. It is decor you home with it. Amazing color lights. Black natural leather finish. Shadow 6 Typhoo. This is amazing water car if you want enjoy with your friends in water. This Shadow 6 Typhoo is nice for such kind of trips that look like a car. It runs on water with high and great speed. You will enjoy its riding. If I talk about its sitting capacity from 1 to 3 people can easily sit in and enjoy it ride. Its body is made of very good material. It's made of titanium and carbon fiber. It is very lightweight. Its look is also stunning and it is also durable. When it swim on high speed from its backside long waves of water, will you see? Electric lighter USB rechargeable arc lighter windproof plasma lighters with LED battery display. Waterproof electronic flashlight lighter with whistle for camping. The plasma lighter not only upgraded the battery indicator display, which can always check the power status. This electric lighter designed an extended length to light from a distance, reducing burn risk. The 360 degrees flexible and stretchable neck. An emergency whistle make this camping lighter a great survival gear or tactical tool for hiking, backpacking, fishing or other outdoor activities. This Como lighter is also a great present choice for men who loving outdoor sport on birthday. Fidget Spinner, fidgety toy. 9 gears fidget spinner. Delicate gift for adults and kids made by metal brass with stable bearing high speed. High-end, test to per minute spinning. All gears running, when spinning, mechanics DIY removable. Simple, discreet and fun, also effective for focus and deep thought. Great kill time toy for computer working relax, loading game and studying. The caps tightly to keep the spinning long time. Finger pinch the spinner caps tightly will make the longest spinning time. This is amazing gift for your beloved one on their special events as birthday, Thanksgiving and much more. Bike chain spinner design. Fidget chain. Delicate gift for adults and kids. Full colorful. Made by metal stainless steel with stable bearing. Each chain is made of high quality steel, firm and smooth. Bike chain design. 2 rainbow roulette. Mechanics toy. Simple, discreet and fun. Also effective for focus and deep thought. Great kill time toy for computer working relax, loading game and studying. This is amazing gift for your beloved one on their special events as birthday, Thanksgiving and much more. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon. You will get the notification of new video. Also like and share the video to your friends and comment me. Which gadget do you like the most?